Hey ladies, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique and it is Weave It Up Wednesday. Today I am doing this back ponytail, this sleek goddess ponytail. So why don't you ladies stay tuned to see how I get this look. So I already have my hair gelled down and I laid my edges already. So I'm just gonna let you get a look of that. I have my hair tied in the back in like a little bun. And I let this like set overnight just so that it is secure. I did use my Eco Gel, but I tried the green one. It's the one with the olive oil. And I did set my hair while it was wet. So while it was wet, I put some deep conditioner in there, some detangler, I brushed it, applied the gel, and put it back into the ponytail. So it's pretty simple. So the next thing that we are going to do is pretty much add the hair. So the hair that I am using is this Lulu Tress Water Wave. If you remember when I did the Passion Twist, I had 8 packs of this, but I only used 3. So we're gonna use 2 packs of this today. And this was like $4.99 at my local beauty supply store. So what you wanna do is I took it, I separated the curls, which I'll show you, so that it's, you know, more fluffy. And I added a little rubber band because this is the part that you're going to put on the back of your little ponytail and kind of blend it from there. So this is one ponytail and I'm going to show you guys how I fluff out and bond this one. So I use a little what is this called? Hair tie. And you just go under it like so. And I take one and put it into the other and pull it through. And that's pretty much all you do. But I like mine to be a little bit more secure. So I do go ahead and put a knot there because I don't want to like be tugging on it and then tug out a piece of hair. That would be embarrassing. So I make mine a little bit more secure by adding a little knot at the top and pulling, and you still have it here. So now what you want to do is fluff out the curls. So all I used was a little comb. Here we go. is the final look. I'm loving how it looks. I'm loving the hair. I love the curly pattern, especially like when it's fluffed out. It looks really, really pretty. So I would have to say that this ponytail is a success. I hope you ladies try it. And again, I do really like the Lulu Tress water wave. I think that it's really, really pretty. But this style is going to last me a minute and I am very pleased with it. So that is it for today. Please be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Tune in to our live Business Savvy Saturdays. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will see you lovely ladies next time.